What's up, YouTube world? It's your boy B Claude 87 checking back in, and I'm back to let you into my Robinhood stock market investing account. Now, today it's Friday, August the 13th, 2021. The United States has just passed the infrastructure bill, which will pump trillions of dollars into the economy, help with roadside assistance, freeways, highways, a move towards a greener earth, everything. So if you've been investing in the stock market, your portfolio more than likely has gone up, just as long as it's pretty diverse. But today's video, what I want to talk about are the dividends. Many of you, if you followed my channel long enough, you will know I am a dividend investor. I invest in companies that pay dividends to their shareholders. I only have two growth stocks, meaning two companies that do not pay dividends. But besides that, a large percentage of my portfolio does pay me dividends. So we're just going to look at we're going to look at the dividends that I've received already the month of August, as well as what's pending. But before we do that, let's just check out the current value. I'm sitting at $22,411. And for today, it's up just $59. Not much, but if we take a look at the past month, you'll see my portfolio is up about 5%, which translates to $1,000. For the past 3 months, my portfolio is up a little over 11%, which translates to up over $2,300. And for the past year, considering this entire pandemic, my portfolio is up 38%, which translates to $6,100. That is just from continuing to reinvest in the companies that I hold, as well as the dividends that I receive. I simply just reinvest those into the companies that I have. Now, for those of you who may not necessarily be familiar with dividends, dividends are basically just a sum of money that are paid regularly, typically quarterly, sometimes annually, sometimes biannually, and even a few pay monthly. But what they do is they pay regularly to their shareholders, and it's basically just like the profits that the company has received. So like dividend stocks, again, as I mentioned, the companies, they pay out these regular dividends, and the dividend stocks are usually well-established companies with a track record of distributing earnings back to shareholders. That's why it is very important that you do invest in companies that are very well known and that will be able to stand the test of time. Just a few, for example, Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, Pfizer, Hormel, Microsoft, Apple, Nike, Starbucks, all of these are companies that pay dividends and that have been around for a while. And these are companies that are going to have a great track record. Again, dividends are basically a form of passive income. This is just basically like the definition of putting your money to work for you. You invest in a dividend company, and then that company, as it goes up, it pays you dividends. It's passive income. But let's just go ahead and get into the dividends that I have pending. As you can see, September 7th, I have a dividend pending from Pfizer for $3.91. Starbucks, I have 91 cents pending. Caterpillar, I have $1.14 pending. California Water, I have $1.39 pending. Hercules Capital, this is a company that I definitely advise you not to sleep on. Let's go ahead and actually check out Hercules Capital. As you can see, they pay 32 cents per share. I have 100 shares finally, so I'm going to be receiving $32 from Hercules Capital on August the 18th. And then the great thing about Hercules Capital is you get 2 dividend payments. So in addition to that $32, I'm also going to be receiving another $7 for my 100 shares. So that's going to be $40 from Hercules Capital alone. So I'm definitely looking forward to that. But Hormel, 74 cents. Procter & Gamble, we got $1.77 coming in. AOS, 84 cents. Ticker symbol O, Realty Income. This is one of those monthly dividend paying companies I was talking about. For my 10 shares, I'm going to be receiving $2.57, and I receive that monthly. So all I have to do is just keep buying more Realty Income, and that dividend payment will grow. But EPD, which is Enterprise Products, I received that I received $6.97 for that one. Apple, $3.58. Just received that yesterday. Nucor received 84 cents. AT&T, that's another good dividend paying company that I have. 47 shares I hold, 52 cents per share. I received $24.44 for AT&T. I received that at the beginning of the month, so that was nice. JP Morgan Chase, I received 91 cents. But yeah, that's just some of the dividends that I received for the month of August. And again, that's just buying into companies that are well established and that will pay me. This is passive income. What I do is when I receive that dividend payment, I just simply reinvest it into the company. That's the beauty of dividends. The more shares that you buy, the more your dividend payment will go up. And then again, if you just reinvest it into the company, it will just continue to keep adding to your position in it, which will ultimately add to the dividend payment that you receive. So that's it. I just wanted to jump on just like real kind of quick. So again, show you guys kind of the overview. I didn't want to jump too much into dividends, but if you do want to see more details about it, more information, just simply, mention that in the comments section. And I definitely will be sure to make another video where I go even more thoroughly into it. But yeah, I just wanted to just, touch on it a little bit, just show you what I have pending. Because like I said, when you're investing in dividend companies and you're receiving these dividend payments, that is the best form of passive income. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Like I said, subscribe to the channel, BClarity7 channel, if you're not already subscribed. I do videos like this very regularly where I show my portfolio. I'll show the dividends that I've received. And again, as I mentioned, I'm a long-term investor. I invest in companies that we all know and love. And these companies stand the test of time. And just as long as you just continue to keep investing in them, you don't necessarily sell your portfolio. Believe me, in the long game, it will do very, very well. So yes, like the video, subscribe to the page. If you want me to do another video where I dive a little deeper into the dividends, just simply, state it, mention it. And believe me, I will do another one where I go a lot deeper into it. Again, I just wanted to touch on this real quick. Lastly, if you're not investing in the stock market using the Robinhood app, go ahead and click the link in the description box so you can download the Robinhood app and you can start investing for yourself. When you download the app and start, you're going to get your very first stock for free. So that's like basically free money. You can do whatever you want to do with that stock. Also, if you want to start investing in crypto, I'm going to have a link for Coinbase also in the link. So you can download the Coinbase app and you can start buying crypto with that. You'll get $10 worth of Bitcoin for free when you download Coinbase. So that's it, everybody. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Again, like the video, subscribe to the page. This is BClarity7 checking out. Peace.